What's up, everybody? My name is Roy. This is my 2022 Honda Civic Sport. We're back in Caesars Head, South Carolina. I've got new wheels, new tires on the car. If you haven't seen the video I uploaded last week of me driving in here, go check that one out first. This is going to be kind of like a part two, comparing the wheels, comparing the tires. And now the car's are already broken in. I can push it a little bit more. So without further ado, let's go drive it. All right, everybody, we are back. We are in Caesars Head Mountain in South Carolina. We finally brought the Civic back. We've got the new wheels, the new tires. Road is dry. It wasn't damp like it was before. I've got over 570 miles on the vehicle as of right now. So I think this time we can push the car a little bit more. My only concern really is traffic. There was a lot more traffic coming up this way today than there was last time I was here. Might have something to do with the time of the day that I'm coming here, but should be fun. We're going uphill this time instead of downhill. I should be able to push the car a little bit more instead of just coasting and getting on the brakes like I did last time. So that should be fun. A few hairpins here for you guys to watch. And lastly, the vehicle is going to be in sport mode the entire time. Right now I have it set for manual shifts, but at some point I'll shift or put it back into sport mode, let it do its own shifting. That way you guys can see how that works. But without any further talking, let's start driving. And this right away, this feels miles better than last time. Biggest reason, of course, is the wheel and tire setup. These are wider wheels, 8.5 inches instead of 8 inches like the OEM Civic Sport wheels. And the tires are a little bit skinnier. They're a 35 section width instead of 40 like you get with the OEM tire. And I mean, right away you can tell the difference. And there's the traffic. So let's slow it down. All right, here we go. Should have a little bit of clear road ahead. Let's take it easy for the first couple of corners, let the tires clean up a little bit. I did pull over in a section full of gravel. There's a biker. This is a great road for bikes, by the way. If you own a sports bike and you just want to come have some fun, you're not going to go too far because of these corners. As you can see, they're very tight, but it would be probably pretty nice on a bike. But anyway, let's get back to driving the Civic. And actually, this is a perfect time to feel out the automatic shifting of this CVT transmission in sport mode. I'm gonna take it relatively easy for a couple of minutes. Again, I'm not trying to catch up to traffic anytime soon. So this is really just letting the car do its own thing. Foot to the floor now. It downshifts, gives you a little bit of power, and then even in the sport mode, it comes back down in the revs. Let's see how it handles this corner here. Stepping on the brakes. It didn't simulate a downshift that time, but I do have plenty of power, relatively speaking, to get out of that corner. And this is fantastic. All right, as soon as we exit this corner, I'm going to hit the paddles down. We're in second gear now, and let's see if we can have a little bit more fun. This thing, oh man, these tires, they grip so well, and you feel the road with the skinnier section width. You feel the road so much better than with the old 40 section width. this is fantastic. I do wish that even in the sport mode, this car had a little bit more response when you just plant your foot down. Unfortunately, it doesn't really do that. But we all know that with some tuning, you can fix that problem right away. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's a short one. That's all the good driving footage I got. I did keep on driving, but I ran into traffic and then it started raining. So I figured I'd call it a day. Definitely want to stick around for next week. I'm going to a car show tomorrow. So if you like watching some cool cars, you definitely want to stick around for next week's video. That being said, catch you guys next week.